A very good evening, Zimbabweans. This is Natsimba Mutota coming back to you, especially today when our champion-in-chief, the commander himself, not the champion-in-chief, Comrade Geza, is back and must be able to address us today. As I was told you, kuti kwenyaya mino nguva yasvika, zvangatanga tichimirira zvasvika, chaedza chauya. Comrade Geza himself will speak to us. We are not going back. We are his foot soldiers, determined to work lawfully and legally. Those who are still in their slumber, I urge you to wake up, comrades and friends, fellow Zimbabweans. Comrade Geza is coming to us to tell us the way forward. And most probably, we must hear more about the funding. When I was talking about the funding, most of us were saying that I was hallucinating. I was not. Our youths are being trained as guards. This is not a revolution where we must simply dive into it without having tact. There is a need for tact. I'm sure General Stolle will echo my words. We work very well together with him. He is the man with all the tactics of what must be done, especially when we are facing a revolution of this magnitude. We need tact. We need intel. Comrades and friends, this is not a joke. Some of us were dreaming that the revolution has died. In fact, it has been reborn. We are going forward. There's no room for Vigananda. I told you that Comrade Geza is not a baby in politics. Even the leader of the regime knows that. Comrade Mnangagwa must honorably step down. We urge him to do so lawfully and legally. And we also urge him to talk to his supporters, not to provoke the revolution. The moment we feel provoked, if they dare provoke this time around, we are sorry. Only if there's any provocation. Comrades and friends, let's come together and work together in unity. That is the only element that is lacking. The Third Republic is just across the bridge. Some enemies have destroyed the bridge. What we need now is unity in order to come together and put our hearts and souls together, our strength together to rebuild the bridge. Go across and get into the Third Republic, where everybody is going to be happy, where the lowest paid civil servant will receive 1,500. Pensioners, civil servants, and others will be handsomely paid. Then pensioners, widows, and mujibas will get at least 1,000 as pensioners. We want a society where people can willingly put their resources and energies together in order to rebuild Zimbabwe. Zobvanzu kurya kwemhumi zvapera. Comrade Natsima Muteta vataura kuti zvapera. And kana ndati zvapera zvatopera. Gadzirirai nzeve, tengai data kuti mugonatsa kunzwa Comrade Geza himself addressing us. Ceteris paribus. When I say ceteris paribus, it means all factors being held constant, assuming that nothing unusual takes place in order to stop this address, assuming that people are prepared to listen, assuming that people are prepared to be united. The Third Republic is at hand. I'm just talking like John the Baptist, who was telling people that the kingdom of heaven is nigh. I am telling you, those who want to be prepared to become MPs, those who want to become senators, those who want to become ministers, this is the time to show your talents. Showcase your talents across the country so that people will be able to select you and choose you as their leader. Those who fail to do that, we are very sorry. But we will work with you. You get what is equivalent to what you can showcase. If you can showcase your talent in terms of skill, you'll be employed as a civil servant or a manager somewhere, or a minister or permanent secretary, or other important tasks. All these are parastatals. We are going to engage new CEOs. If those who were there were very good, they will be retained. Permanent secretaries, stay put. We are with you in the Republic. All civil servants, as we were telling you, we are preparing a package for you because you have been in problems for too long. We are not simply saying these words. We mean it. Zimbabwe, let's get united. We must push out all the Ganandas and their leader, because the fish rots from the head. The head has already become rotten. It must be put away. Aluta continua. This is Comrade Simba Mtota speaking to you.